to you all. Welcome to my video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about the reason why sometimes your mobile phone consumes a lot of data, and also I'm going to show you how you can detect the actual culprits. I mean those apps that may be consuming your data without your knowledge. That is most of the time the reason why sometimes you see the mobile data consumption of your phone increases without you knowing why. Because maybe you're not doing some whole lot of things with that data, but you're just seeing the data is kind of running off. So to know which app exactly consumes your data more, just directly you can go to maybe your apps, go to settings, then from settings you can see there is data usage. Then go to data usage, you can see the list of SIM cards and also the data they consume. Also there is option for Wi-Fi. You can see maybe your Wi-Fi data, but for example let's talk about the mobile data. Now you can see all your SIMs and then the data that consumed. So for example, for you to know the actual mobile apps that are consuming your data, you can hover onto a particular SIM card. For example, this MTN. You can see there is a list of apps here that consumes your data. Then they are arranged in an ascending order. Then the highest come first. The highest app that consumes your data is the most come first, then followed by the ones that consumes less data. So as you can see now, you can see all the apps and also the amount of data they consume over certain period of time. For example, from January. For example, if I want to see from December to December 31st, you can see here. For example, for example now I know that I'm using Twitter and portable hotspot. So in such case, I know I don't have problem with that because I'm using it to browse. For example, let's say I don't use this PHX browser, but I can see it consumes about 445 megabytes. Then definitely I know it is consuming my data in the background. Then I have two options. I can either restrict app background data. If I select this option, then it will affect all the apps that are in my phone. So no app can use the data in a background mode unless if I am into that app actually browsing. So you can see this one will restrict most of the functionality of some of your apps. So you cannot get a background notification until you get into the app. But for example, I want only to restrict this PSN browser. Then I can click on it. If you click on it, you can see the amount of data it consumed within from 1st to 31st December 2018. So now you have the option. You can see from the background here. From the down here there is restrict app background data. So if you select this one, it will only affect this VHS browser, and this browser will not be able to access the internet unless if you are actually into the browser trying to browse. So you can see with this option you can actually check some of their app that may be consuming your data without your knowledge, and then from here you can stop them so that they will not be able to consume your data if you're not actually into the app trying to make use of their functionality. I hope this you find this video helpful. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel in order to have access to all my video channels, including those that the new ones that I do from time to time. Thank you so very much and have a lovely day.